Hello everyone, welcome to the BLMA.
This is our model 75CNC-2A1S. It can bend pipes up to 75 mm diameter and 4 mm thickness for carbon steel. 2A means 2 servo motor. They control feeding and rotation. 1S means 1 layer of pipe bending wood. It is suitable for automotive, furniture, fitness equipment, and all kinds of industrial pipe processing industries. It is a useful and high-precision CNC pipe bending machine.
Based on the customer's needs, this machine works together with a pipe cutting machine. This combination is popular among our customers. This allows continuous and efficient production. It reduces labor work and material waste, and it helps lower cost and improve product quality.
This machine uses a PLC control system. It's very stable and reliable. Even in complex working conditions, the machine runs smoothly. Operators just use the touch screen to set programs or choose programs. No complicated menu adjustment is required. It is very user-friendly for operators.
Besides pipe bending machines, these press brake are also our products.
Our CNC press brake are widely used in construction, metal fabrication, and machinery workshops across many countries.
BLMA specializes in manufacturing of CNC machines. Welcome to inquire.